Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is TAV here. So if you are getting this runtime DLR error every time when Windows 11 starts, don't worry. It's really very easy fix. So usually this error appears because Windows is trying to load a Logitech file called LogiLDA.dll, but the file is missing. To fix it, press in from your keyboard Ctrl Shift and Escape key together to launch your task manager. Once you open your task manager, head to startup apps, and from this list look for that startup application if it's showing up here. If it is showing up here, for example, select Logitech installer application, select it, do a right click and hit disable, and then restart your computer. In this way you are going to avoid during Windows startup to load that Logitech installer file, and you can avoid those errors popping up just straight when you are restarting your computer. So this is the very easy fix that you can do, and to fix it permanently you can head over to your browser and look for the Logitech support website. For example, this is our Logitech support website. Go there and wait for the website to load. It will show up a list of softwares. Like here I can see there are so many installer application for which I will be looking for my vertical mouse which I am using right now. So under this you can look for these Logi options, and for your correct software web address, you can read your user manual that came with your mouse and then download it. After downloading, you can install this Logitech options software application in your Windows and do a restart. With this new installation, the missing DLL file will be fixed and you will not get that error anymore in your system. So even if this doesn't fix, then there is one more advanced workaround that we can try that out. For that you will have to launch your run command. To do that, click on your Windows button and then look for run, and then click it. Here under command you will write regedit, then click on OK. It will ask for some administrator privileges, and then you will have to go let me show you. Under HK local machine you will find softwares. Under softwares you will see this Microsoft. Under Microsoft you will be having this folder called Windows, and then under Windows you will find this current version folder. Under current version you will have to look for one more folder called run. Under run you will find 2 or 3 files of registry of Logi with title called Logi, LOGI. Look for that, do a right click and then hit delete. This is I'm just showing for you an example. So before doing this advanced workaround, you will have to make sure that you have the proper backup. You have to first export your registry editor and keep it somewhere very safe, and then if something goes wrong, like if you did something incorrectly, you can then import your registry editor backup file again to restore back your system to original status. So all these things should be done with proper backup. I will suggest to properly backup your system file so that if anything goes wrong, you will be able to revert those changes. So if you don't know how to backup your complete Windows system application or file or image, you can look into my playlist to find those backup tutorial. And if you don't, then you can also look for the websites where you will find the Microsoft proper current steps. It's there. It's in the community page. It's in the official Microsoft website as well, to properly backup, and you can schedule the backup of your Windows operating system as well. So yes, this is something we can do to fix that annoying pop-up. I hope you find this video really very helpful. If you find this video helpful, please give a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe to my channel for the next tips and tutorial. Till then, take care and bye bye.